January, the month that traps most Forex traders. January doesn't come as a normal month. It comes with pressure, a new year, fresh charts, reset accounts, big expectations. Every trader feels it. That silent voice that says, this year has to work. And that's exactly why January is dangerous. The promise of a new beginning. Meet Daniel. Daniel has been trading Forex for a while. Not a beginner, not a professional, somewhere in between. He's had wins. He's had losses. He's learned strategies. He's blown accounts before. But December ended well. Not perfect, but good enough. A few profitable weeks. Clean setups. Confidence restored. On December 31st, Daniel looked at his trading journal and thought, if I can do this now, January will be even better. That thought alone was the first trap. The market opens, and the emotions follow. January 2nd, markets open. Daniel is ready. Charts are marked. Sessions planned. Rules written. The first few days feel smooth. Price moves fast. Setups appear everywhere. Volatility is high. Daniel takes a trade. Win. Then another. Another win. Confidence rises. And confidence in January is dangerous. Because January movement looks like opportunity, but often it's just noise. What most traders don't know about January. January is not a continuation of last year. It's a reset month. Banks are repositioning. Institutions are testing. Funds are reallocating. The market is not committed to direction yet. It's asking questions like, where's liquidity? Who is impatient? Where are retail stops? But most traders don't ask those questions. They just trade what they see. The first loss feels normal. Daniel takes another setup. Perfect confirmation. Clean structure. He enters. Price moves a little, then reverses. Stop loss hit. No problem. Losses happen. But the next trade also loses. And the one after that. Suddenly, January doesn't feel friendly anymore. The invisible trap. Here's the real danger of January. It doesn't shock you with one big loss. It slowly changes your behavior. Daniel starts trading more. He starts trusting his instincts more than his rules. He starts feeling pressure to start the year strong. And pressure is fuel for bad decisions. From discipline to emotion. By the second week of January, Daniel is no longer waiting for A-plus setups. He's entering early. He's holding losers longer. He's closing winners too fast. Not because he's reckless, but because he's emotionally invested in January. He wants the month to mean something. Why January destroys psychology. January attacks traders in 3 ways. False confidence. Early wins create overconfidence, unstable price action. Movement without follow-through expectation pressure. The need to prove yourself early. Together, they create overtrading. And overtrading is how good traders turn into gamblers. The mid-month reality check. Mid-January, Daniel finally checks his account properly. Down 25%. Not because his strategy failed, but because his discipline did. He feels tired, frustrated, confused. He starts questioning everything. The strategy, the mentor, the market. He even questions himself. The biggest lie traders believe. At this point, most traders believe. The market is against me. But the market isn't emotional. January just exposes impatience. It shows you whether you can wait, accept missing trades, protect capital, follow rules under pressure. Most traders fail here. The traders who survived January. While Daniel was fighting the market, other traders were doing the opposite. They reduced risk. They skipped trades. They traded less frequently. They focused on survival. They understood one thing. January is not for making money. It's for not losing it. January is a filter. January filters traders. It separates those who want fast results from those who want long-term success. The market asks, Can you do nothing when nothing is clear? Can you stay disciplined without rewards? Most traders answer no. The end of month realization. End of January. Daniel looks back, and the truth becomes clear. The market didn't change. He did. He rushed. He forced trades. He ignored conditions. January didn't steal his money. He gave it away trying to rush the year. The real lesson of January. January is not a profit month. It's a character test. If you survive January, you protect your mindset, you build patience, you increase your chances for the rest of the year. Because trading is not about 1 month. It's about staying in the game. Final message to your viewers. If January has already tested you, you're not weak. You're not broken. You're learning. Every consistent trader has been humbled by January. The goal is not to win January. The goal is to still be trading when clarity returns. Back-end index pointing right, if this story helped you understand the market better. Back-end index pointing right, if you felt this January pressure before. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. And stay disciplined. Because in Forex, survival comes first. Discipline comes before profit. And patience is the real edge. Chart increasing fire.